Did you know that the right blender can revolutionize your kitchen, making everything from smoothies to soups in a flash? Whether you're a health enthusiast, a busy parent, or just love experimenting with recipes, a powerful blender is a must-have tool. Imagine effortlessly blending your morning smoothie, whipping up a quick soup for lunch, or creating delicious sauces for dinner. The market is flooded with various options, making it challenging to pick the right one. Today, we're going to break down some of the best blenders available, showcasing their unique features, benefits, and what sets them apart. And don't worry, we've included links in the description so you can check out the prices or buy them directly. Let's get started. The first blender on our list is the Ninja Professional Plus. Known for its powerful 1400-watt motor, this blender delivers a smooth, consistent blend every time, ensuring you get the best experience with your smoothies and frozen drinks. It also features a total crushing technology, which means it can crush ice and frozen fruit in seconds, making it ideal for icy treats. Imagine using this blender during a hot summer day to create refreshing ice-cold smoothies and frozen cocktails, and seeing how it effortlessly handles even the toughest ingredients. One standout feature is its 72-ounce pitcher. It's perfect for large batches, making it an excellent choice for family gatherings or parties. Plus, its sleek design makes it easy to store, making it a great companion for both small and large kitchens. With its dishwasher-safe parts, cleaning up is a breeze. Users love its intuitive control panel, which makes it simple to operate even for beginners. It's also built with a focus on durability, ensuring it lasts through countless blending sessions. Next, we have the Vitamix 5200. Built with a robust 2-horsepower motor, this blender provides unparalleled power, making it ideal for creating everything from silky smoothies to hot soups. This model also includes a variable speed control, allowing you to refine every texture with culinary precision, from the chunkiest salsas to the smoothest purees. Picture using it in a busy kitchen setting where you need versatility and speed, and experiencing how it simplifies meal prep. A notable aspect is its self-cleaning feature. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water, and it can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. Additionally, its classic design and high performance make it simple to integrate into any kitchen, perfect for both everyday cooking and gourmet preparations. The aircraft-grade stainless steel blades ensure long-lasting durability. It's also backed by a 7-year full warranty, giving you peace of mind. Its large 64-ounce container is perfect for blending medium to large batches, making meal prep more efficient. Our third contender is the NutriBullet Pro 900. Compact yet powerful, this blender is built with a 900-watt motor, providing impressive power for its size. This makes it ideal for personal use, particularly for making smoothies and shakes. This model also includes specialized nutrient extraction blades, allowing you to break down seeds, stems, and tough skins for silky smooth beverages. Picture using it in a morning rush, whipping up a nutritious smoothie that retains all the essential vitamins and minerals, and experiencing how it supports a healthy lifestyle. A notable feature is its portability. The blending cup doubles as a to-go container, making it perfect for those always on the move. Additionally, its compact design makes it easy to store, suitable for small kitchens and travel. Its one-touch operation makes blending effortless. Plus, it's available in multiple colors to match your kitchen decor. The NutriBullet Pro 900's accessories, like additional cups and lids, add convenience for those with a busy schedule. Fourth is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite, available primarily in North America. Featuring a 700-watt motor, this blender provides reliable power for everyday blending tasks. It also includes a unique wave action system that continuously pulls the mixture down into the blades, ensuring smooth and consistent results. Imagine using it for making creamy soups or delicious milkshakes and appreciating how it enhances your cooking experience. One standout feature is its 12 blending functions, giving you a wide range of options from pureeing to crushing ice. Its user-friendly design and easy-to-clean parts make it a convenient addition to any kitchen, ideal for both novices and seasoned cooks. The glass jar is heat-resistant, allowing for hot blending. It also comes with a 3-year warranty, offering long-term reliability. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite also features a handy pour spout to avoid spills when serving your blended creations. Last but not least, we have the Vitamix Blend N Go, a popular choice in Europe. Built with a 300-watt motor, this blender offers sufficient power for making smoothies and other beverages. This model also includes a convenient to-go cup, allowing you to blend and take your drink with you, which is perfect for busy lifestyles. Picture using it to prepare a quick breakfast smoothie before heading out the door and experiencing how it fits seamlessly into your daily routine. A notable aspect is its compact size and lightweight design, making it easy to store and transport, suitable for small kitchens and travel. The stainless steel blades are durable and effective. It also features a simple one-button operation, making it incredibly user-friendly. Its BPA-free plastic ensures your drinks are safe and healthy. The Vitamix Blend N Go's travel lid makes it easy to sip your smoothies on the go without any spills. To wrap up, these blenders each bring something unique to the table, catering to different needs and preferences. The Ninja Professional Plus stands out for its power and large capacity, ideal for families and parties. The Vitamix 5200 is perfect for those seeking versatility and culinary precision, with its powerful motor and variable speed control. The NutriBullet Pro 900 is great for individuals focused on health and portability. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite offers reliability and a variety of blending functions for everyday use, while the Vitamix Blend N Go excels in convenience and compactness for those with a busy lifestyle. In summary, the Ninja Professional Plus boasts impressive power and capacity, making it perfect for large batches and family gatherings. Its total crushing technology is excellent for icy treats, and its sleek design ensures it fits well in any kitchen. The Vitamix 5200, with its robust motor and variable speed control, offers unparalleled versatility, ideal for both everyday use and gourmet cooking. Its self-cleaning feature adds to its convenience, making it a favorite among busy cooks. The NutriBullet Pro 900 is compact and powerful, perfect for personal use, especially for health enthusiasts on the go. Its nutrient extraction blades ensure smooth, nutritious drinks, and its portability is unmatched. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite provides reliable performance with its 700-watt motor and unique wave action system, offering a variety of blending functions for diverse culinary needs. Its user-friendly design makes it a practical choice for any kitchen. Finally, the Vitamix Blend N Go, with its compact size and convenient to-go cup, is ideal for those with a busy lifestyle, ensuring quick and easy blending on the move. For the best value, we recommend the NutriBullet Pro 900 for those in North America. Its combination of power, compactness, and portability makes it a great choice for individuals looking for a versatile and convenient blender. For those in Europe, the Vitamix Blend N Go offers excellent convenience and portability at an affordable price, making it perfect for busy individuals who need a quick and easy blending solution. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to see the prices or make a purchase. Transform your kitchen with these incredible blenders. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video.